Hello guys. Now today we are going to discuss what are the co-prime number. So what are the co-prime number? By taking some example we are going to describe. Suppose we have the number 7 and 14. So if you have the number 7 and 14 and in the division method I am going to find out their SCF. So 7 divides 14 by 2 times and the remainder is 0. So now what we get, SCF of 7 and 14 is 7. So if the SCF of the two number is not 1, other than 1 you are getting any number, here we are getting 7, other than 1, so the number are not co-prime. The definition of co-prime is, if we have the two numbers, suppose if I am going to describe what are the co-prime number, what are co-prime number. So simple definition is, if I have two positive integers such that their SCF is 1, then they are co-prime or relatively prime. That is the definition of co-prime number. So here we are getting the 7. So we say that the numbers are not co-prime. Take the number 18 and 17, find their SCF. What you observe that 18, when we divide by 17, remainder is 1, then again 1 become the divisor and 17 become the dividend. So 17 times we get 17 and the remainder is 0. So here this number, this divisor will be the last divisor will be the SCF. So we know that these 17 and 18 has the SCF is 1. So therefore we say that these are the co-prime number, not prime, they are co-prime. Here you observe that 17 is prime, but 18 is not prime. 18 is the composite number. So it is not necessarily that for the co-prime number both are prime. It is not necessarily. So therefore it may be possible that the one of them is not prime composite, but their SCF should be 1. So if one is composite, one is the prime, but their SCF is 1, then we say that they are the co-prime number. So here 18 is the composite, 17 is prime, but we have what? Their SCF is 1. That's why they are the co-prime. So in case of the co-prime, it is not necessarily that both the numbers should be the prime number. One of them may be composite, no issue, but SCF must be 1. Now take the example of 36 and 25. Here you see that it is composite number. You observe that, and 25 is also composite number. 25 also composite number, and 36 is also composite number. Now if you are going to find out their SCF, what you observe that 25, if you divide 36, the remainder is 11. If you divide 25, this 25 become the dividend, and if you divide by 11, you are getting 3 as the remainder. When you divide this, now in this time there is slightly mistake, this 11 will be here. Now this 11 become the divisor, dividend. Now divided this 11 by 3, you are getting what? 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. We have 2 as the remainder. Now this time this will become 3. This number 3 become the dividend. So now dividing this 3 by 2, you are getting 2 1s are 2. So now this will be what? 1. Here we get 1. Now divide this 2 by 1, you are getting 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So here we get SCF of this number, given number is what? 1. So here you notice that both are composite. Both are composite, but their SCF is what, dear? Their SCF is 1. So we say that these two numbers are the co-prime number or relatively prime. So it is not necessarily that if you want to calculate the co-prime number, the number should be the co-prime. It is not necessarily. The number will be prime, it is not required. If their SCF is 1, whatever the number you are taking, both are prime, one is composite, both are composite. If their SCF is 1, it confirms, it follows our definition, then we say that the number is co-prime. So here 36 and 25, both are composite, but their SCF is 1. So that's why they are the co-prime number. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now take the last example, 35 and 21. So in this case, you notice that this is composite number and here this is composite number. Whatever composite or the prime, it does not matter, but we have to check only the SCF. You know that the greatest number is 7, which divides both the number. So we say that here SCF is 7, so that's why they are not co-prime. So exactly definition of co-prime, or in other words, you can say that relatively prime is that whatever the positive integer you are taking, their SCF should be 1. If the SCF is other than 1, then we say that the numbers are not co-prime. Is it clear, dear? Any doubt, anyone? No? Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.